Suppliers and the supply chain. Bulk order. A large quantity of goods ordered at one time, usually to get a lower price. The supplier normally gives discounts for bulk orders over 1,000 units. Demand. The amount of a product or service that people want to buy at a certain time. There is a high demand for electric cars this year due to restrictions on diesel vehicles. Dispatch. To send goods to a specific place, usually for delivery. We promise to dispatch the goods within 24 hours of being ordered. Fulfill an order. To complete everything needed to deliver a product or service to a customer. Our team works late to fulfill orders during the busy holiday season. Global sourcing. The process of buying goods or services from suppliers in different countries. Global sourcing of raw materials has brought our costs down dramatically. Handle. To move, manage, or take care of goods during any part of the supply chain. We use a local shipping company to handle the goods that we buy and sell. Inventory. The total amount of goods, materials, or products a company has in stock. We check our inventory every week to avoid running out of items. Invoice. A paper or digital document that shows how much a customer or client must pay for goods or services they have received. At the end of the month, we send invoices to all the people that need to pay us. Just in time. JIT. A system where a company receives or produces goods only when they are needed, instead of keeping large amounts in storage. Thanks to just-in-time delivery, we don't need to store extra parts in the warehouse. Lead time. The total time it takes from the moment an order is placed until the product is delivered or ready to use. Delays at the factory increased the lead time for several products. Logistics. The process of planning, organizing, and managing the movement and storage of goods, services, or information from the point of origin to the final destination. Our company's logistics team ensures that products arrive on time. Preferred supplier. A company that a business chooses first to buy goods or services from. Building good relationships with preferred suppliers helped us improve the supply chain. Product flow. The movement of goods or materials through the different stages of the supply chain, from suppliers to manufacturers, warehouses, and finally to customers. We improved the product flow by speeding up transportation between warehouses. Productivity. A measure of how much work or output a person, machine, or company produces in a certain amount of time. The new software improved productivity by automating routine tasks. Purchase order. A formal document a buyer sends to a supplier to request goods or services. Once the supplier accepts the purchase order, the order becomes official. Quantities. Amounts or numbers of something, especially products or materials. We ordered large quantities of paper to prepare for the busy season. Shortage. A situation where there is not enough of something. We have a shortage of packaging and need to order more immediately. Stocks. The goods or materials a company keeps on hand to sell or use in production. Our stocks of iPhones are running low. We should think about ordering some more soon. Storage. The act or place of keeping goods or materials safely until they are needed. We keep the goods in storage at our warehouse until someone makes an order. Supply chain. The series of steps and organizations involved in making and delivering a product from raw materials to the customer. Delays in one part of the supply chain can affect the entire process.